Good Thursday morning. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman, and here are the highlights for today's show. We've got Revitas Capital has secured 3 mandates from Korean companies. Cromwell has sold its Polish retail portfolio for 285 million euros. And Poland's largest convenient chain, Żabka, has opened its first store in Romania.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Oh, exciting, Romania.
Yeah, Żabka goes to Romania.
Well, pretty exciting news. I saw a few other retailers from Poland also going to Romania. They came to our CEE Awards and said they were looking at locations there. So
It's a big market, so
Exactly.
I'm not surprised at all to see them expanding to Romania.
It's a great place to sell stuff. Well, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And Winston, good to see you back here in the studio today. We were at this Mary Vilska 44 yesterday. Horrible situation with the whole shopping center catching on fire. Many of the little businesses there were kind of waiting outside. We did talked to a few people there, met with some of them, and really, really tragedy. Many of you probably don't know it, but it's more of a wholesale retail location, but big, 60,000, 80,000 square meters, massive.
One of 3 fires, I think, that day.
Yeah, it was kind of like the fire day in Warsaw.
Quite worrying.
We were up in Wisła, city of Wisła, or the town of Wisła, watching kind of Warsaw, bits of it, big smoke cloud over the whole city. So missed the opportunity of breathing in some nice carcinogens, and who knows what was catching on fire there. But anyway, welcome back to the Coffee with Craig show this Thursday. We are exactly 1 week away from the Baltic Real Estate Awards. And looked like to me we had record number of nominations from other countries, the Baltics, Scandinavia, a few from Finland there, a lot from Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, and of course, as well as Poland, yeah?
Yeah, definitely. We had a lot of nominations.
So big names, big projects going on. I saw a lot of interesting ones from the professionals of the year as well. A couple from Rising Star. So some interesting categories. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we've got 28 categories. So
28.
Should try to keep everyone happy with
Yeah, exactly. Probably, and also an amazing forum as well. I saw a lot of interesting speakers on the forum covering office, retail, hotel, of course, warehouse and logistics. So definitely come up to Sopot on next Thursday. A lot going on, or come up Wednesday night and be there early for the forum on Thursday. So a lot happening there. Very interesting headlines, Winston. I'm interested to hear a little bit more about the news, but let's take a little break and come back with the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second annual EuropaProperty Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 23rd, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Riviera, Baltic coast, and held once again at the Radisson Blu Hotel. Countries covered for the awards, of course, include Poland, the Baltics, which is Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Norway, as well as Northern Germany. Book your ticket, sponsorship, and place your nominations on our website, balticrealestateawards.eu. Also, feel free to email me or give me a call for more details.
So, welcome back. Yeah, so the news for today, we've got Revitas Capital secured 3 mandates from Korean asset management companies.
Mm-hmm.
And this is initial investment volume around 860 million euros. And the mandates aim to support Korean overseas investments in the face of shifting interest rates and a rise in complex real estate situations in the European and US-based markets.
Mm-hmm.
And according to Revitas, they go on to say that our focus is on providing capital recovery solutions in a market characterized by dislocation, complexity, and the ongoing importance of price discovery. We see solutions in uncertain times that offer real and meaningful value to our partners and a roadmap to recovering capital.
Yeah, I remember talking to Eric last year, the founding partner, managing partner, and he was telling me he was making lots of trips to Korea, and that was going to be the next some of the next projects. So
looks like his time was very well spent.
Clearly, it happened. He said he had. I remember him saying something like, "Oh, I'm getting on the plane, flying to Korea. I was there 3 weeks ago, back again." So my guess, there's probably been a few more trips in that.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
well, good for him.
Yes, very good. Staying in the investment market and moving to retail, and real estate investor Cromwell Property Group has announced that it sold 6 retail centres across Poland, held by the Cromwell Polish Retail Fund, to Star Capital Finance for 285 million euros. The portfolio has more than 219,000 square metres. And since acquiring the portfolio in 2019, Cromwell has significantly improved its occupancy and footfall levels. And the group will continue as the asset manager on behalf of Star Capital Finance. And according to Andrew Creighton, head of investment management in Europe at Cromwell Property Group, this sale concludes our strategy to sell these assets to achieve our strategic target of being a capital-light fund manager, with our asset management program successfully boosting the performance of each shopping centre and notably enhancing the sustainability credentials of the portfolio.
Well, not surprising. Cromwell's been doing a lot. Yeah. So very big retail there. Yeah.
Yeah, so they've been doing their strategy of like buying older retail, giving a bit of value add, love and care, and they've sold it on to the next investor, and may the journey continue.
Well, they do the next stop. Yeah, the next big profitable move on that, I would imagine. Well, great. Good to see Cromwell sold them and did well.
And finally for today, so Poland's Żabka, which is apparently the largest convenience store in Central and Eastern Europe now, has launched its first shop abroad after opening an outlet in Romania. And the firm hopes to open 200 stores in the country by the end of the year. And they've already got 10,000 in Poland.
Wow. Okay.
I thought they had more than 10,000 in Poland, to be honest. They're everywhere.
Well, there's one downstairs here, isn't there?
All over the place. But so anyway, they've entered Romania, opened their first store, and they're functioning under the brand name Fru.
Fru, okay.
And the store is in its pilot phase, and its availability is only open to a certain group of test customers at the moment, and the firm calls Friends and Family Formula. And after expanding to the Romanian market, they took a majority stake in a local distribution company called Daniel Distributor, FMCG, which was a family business worth over 100 million euros earlier this year.
Wow. So big up. So they're going to have the distribution sorted, it sounds like.
Yeah, they've made a big move into the country.
And it also makes sense that they changed the name, yeah? Because Żabka, why would you use Żabka in Romania?
What does Żabka mean again?
Frog.
Yeah,
okay. Yeah. So it's like, I guess, why...
Is that what Fru means in Romanian?
Probably. Yeah, we should check that. We should get our Romanian expert up here to help examine this this decision to call it Fru. Yeah. Like F-R-U?
It's F-R-O-O.
Oh, very nice. So maybe it is frog.
Maybe. We'll have to check it out.
Yeah, something good. Well, thank you all for watching this edition of the Coffee with Craig show. We have a lot going on. Also up in Gdansk, or up in Sopot, where we'll be having our Baltic Real Estate Awards. We'll also be filming the Coffee with Craig show up there. So if you'd like to do an interview with the backdrop of our Baltic Real Estate Awards, let us know, because we've got the film crew coming up and we can schedule the interviews. So enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow, Friday, getting weekend ready for big sunny warm weekend. And enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.